what's up, Fresh Crew? I'm your boy Blue, back here again with another unboxing video. Now let's get started. Hey, what's up, Fresh Crew? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video on Dior Homme Intense by Christian Dior. Alright, on the front here you have Dior Homme Intense with a little B on it. This is a 100 milliliter bottle. On the top here there's a sticker with a CD for Christian Dior. On the bottom here you have your barcode and your batch codes right there. Looks plain on the sides. On the back, made in France. Let's take a look at the bottle. Alright, this is the bottle of Dior Homme Intense. Also, the inside of the box has like a little bee on it too. Right there. I didn't know that. Alright. So this is the 2020 Dior Homme Intense. The old one, the Dior Homme Intense right here, used to be on the bottle right here. But now I guess they put it on the cap. You have CD on the top. On the bottom you have your sticker and your batch code. Let's take a look at the atomizer. As you can see right there, there's like a little B right on the atomizer. And the atomizer is black. Alright. That was my unboxing video of Dior Homme Intense 2020. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I post a new video every week. And also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. I'm your boy Blue, helping you guys smell amazing. Bye guys, see you next time. Peace.